Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Ecovacs X11 Omni station maintenance. If you're interested in the X11 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's just start at the top of the station. We have our clean and dirty water tanks, and both of those are very easy to remove to get access, to refill, to wash, and to clean. Here's the clean water tank close up. See it from all different sides and angles. Open it up right here. And then you have access on the inside. This filter does unclip too. If you have replacements for that, you can just pop that off, just like so. And you can snap a new one in as needed. And again, it'll just pop right back down in place. Dirty water tank close up from all sides and angles. Open it up, we got our float in there. Very easy to wash and rinse out. Highly recommend washing and rinsing it out after every use. And also, if you have some mouthwash or something along those lines to put in here to keep it fresh from odor building up, if you don't want to empty this after every clean, highly recommend that as well. Because once you smell the dirty water tank, you know what I'm talking about. And then here's a look inside with both water tanks removed. On this side, we have a hole down there. That's going to be a drain, so make sure that's free from any clogs or obstructions. Same with the top right here with these water inlets. Just make sure there's nothing blocking or obstructing these, and that drain hole down below. Moving further down the station, front and center, we have our bagless self-empty with our dustbin that's very easy to remove. Press this button to empty it out over a wastebasket or trash can. And then you'll notice we have our fill indicator letting us know when it's full. And we have a lock and unlock option right here to twist the cap off, revealing a filter. And then we have the inside right here that we can pull very gently to separate. So right there, that's how it's going to go back in too. But we can pull and pull just to work it out. I was trying to do it gently, but you get the idea. Pull that out. You can wash and rinse this out as needed too. And same with the inside with that removed. And then when you're done, again, you just line this piece right back up and it pushes right back down in place, forming a nice tight seal. And you can visually inspect in here for any clogs or debris and just wipe down as needed. And on the left side where we have the Ecovacs branding, there's a cover right here. You can just pop that cover off and that reveals our solution tanks. We actually have two solution tanks here. So you'll notice that black and blue both have removable lids for easy filling. And they both just pop right back in like so. Fill indicator there, a couple more instructions up at the top. And they only recommend using Ecovacs cleaning solutions for longer product lifespan, which is sold separately. So keep that in mind. Then you have just some extra space up here. I guess you could use for any accessory storage you want, but kind of just a little dead area there in the case. And then we can take our cover and then just snap it right back in. Moving further down, I knocked the ramp off earlier, but the ramp just snaps right in place. So you can easily wash this section as needed. And in here, keep an eye again on the self-empty, the charging contacts. We have a sensor there so you can wipe that down. And then the tray is removable for very easy cleaning. So pull this out, you can rinse it out, give it a deep clean, and you can wipe down in there. And then it just slides right back in place like so. So overall, the station basically just takes care of itself. And what's nice about this particular station with the bagless self-empty, that's just going to save you monthly, quarterly, yearly, reoccurring expenses with your robot vacuum because you don't have to buy any bags. You can just manually empty this when it's full, put it back in, and you're all set and ready to go.